Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing that annoying disk check screen that pops up every time you start your Windows 11 computer. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common reason this happens is that Windows has flagged your hard drive as dirty or needing a scan, but the flag gets stuck. We can force it to stop scanning using the command prompt. Go ahead and move your mouse to the Start button, right-click on it, and select Terminal Admin, or search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if a permission window pops up. In the black window, we are going to type a specific command to exclude your C drive from the boot scan. Type exactly chkntfs /x C:. That is chkntfs, a space, /x, space, and then C:. The /x tells Windows to cancel any scheduled check for that specific drive. Hit Enter on your keyboard. If it worked, it will simply jump to a new line without an error message, meaning the scheduled task has been removed. If the command prompt didn't stop it, the instruction is likely hard-coded in your system registry. We need to manually reset the boot execution manager. Click on your Start button again and type regedit into the search bar. Open the Registry Editor app. We need to navigate through a few folders on the left side. Start by double-clicking HKey Local Machine. Next, open System, then Current Control Set, and then Control. Now scroll down the list under Control until you find the folder named Session Manager. Click on Session Manager once to highlight it. On the right side of the window, look for a file named BootExecute. Double-click on BootExecute to open it. In the Value Data box, you want to make sure it reads exactly AutoCheck space AutoCheck space asterisk. If you see any extra text in there like /R or /F, delete those extra parts so it only says AutoCheck asterisk. Click OK to save that change. Finally, it is important to understand that if this check keeps coming back even after these fixes, your hard drive might actually be physically failing. To check this quickly, open an elevated PowerShell and then get-sim instance space win32_disk drive space pipe space select-object space model, status. Hit Enter. You should see the word OK listed for every drive connected to your PC. If you see bad, caution, or pred fail, please back up your data immediately because the drive might be breaking down. And that's it. Your computer should now boot up smoothly without scanning your disk every single time. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.